In this video, we are going to dive deep into the origins of Blender. So let's get started. In 1988, Ton Roosendaal co-founded the Dutch animation studio called Neo Geo. Now, this studio quickly became the largest 3D animation house in the Netherlands. Within Neo Geo, Ton was responsible for both the art direction and the internal software development. After a careful deliberation, it was decided that the current 3D toolset needed to be rewritten from scratch. So, in 1995, this rewrite began and was destined to become the 3D tool we all know now. In 1998, Ton founded a new company called Not a Number Technologies. In 2000, the company secured growth financing by several investment companies. The target was to create a free creation tool for interactive 3D content and commercial versions of the software for distribution and publishing. Sadly, due to disappointing sales and the ongoing difficult economic climate, the NAN investors decided to shut down all operations in 2002. Sadly, this shutdown also included discontinuing the development of Blender. But the enthusiastic support from the user community and customers couldn't justify leaving Blender to disappear into oblivion. Since restarting a company with a sufficiently large team of developers wasn't feasible, in May 2002, Ton Roosendaal started the non-profit organization called the Blender Foundation. The Blender Foundation's first goal was to find a way to continue developing Blender as a community-based open source project. In July 2002, Ton managed to get the investors to agree on a unique Blender Foundation plan in an attempt to open source Blender. The Free Blender campaign sought to raise 100k euros as a one-time fee so that the investors would agree on open sourcing Blender. To everyone's surprise, the campaign reached the 100k euro mark only in 7 short weeks. On Sunday, October 13th, 2002, Blender was released to the world under the terms of the General Public License. Blender development continued since that day, driven by a team of far-flung dedicated volunteers from all around the world, led by Blender's original creator, Ton Roosendaal. So this was how the great 3D software we all use came into existence. So that's it guys, this was a quick commentary video, and if you like this video, you can leave a like down below and also subscribe to the channel for more Blender related content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.